you step, move your upper body like a bamboo in the wind. Look, 1. Like a bamboo in the wind. Look, 2, 3. Now, look, cross. And now you go into a gungu or a pubu. Not banabu, not sulebu. Look, this. Look. Here, look. It's not here. Yes, here. This. Now go. 1, 2. Yeah? And then the rest was okay. Here, open, it's okay. Yeah? After, yeah? That's clear. And here, the line turns its head. Take your time, look, not fast. 1. Take your time. Then again here, look, 1. Now set, now you lean. Lean, take your time. This can come up or down, it's up to you. Then you come up. Boom. Okay, now look, from here. Get to your stance, then you come. I see hand here, you can bring it below the chi high. Before 1, 2. Yeah, both knees visible here. Open up. And the most important correction comes now. The very most important. After you do Lü, there's a pong, you stay in Gungu. Look. Maybe 1 or 2 people can do the kick. The others, please do this. And stretch. Stretch until next year. Yeah? I show you the stretching. Just do this, pop, pop. I don't want you to do this or something, yeah? Or like this. Just keep straight, pop, pop, stay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? The alignment is more important than the kick itself, but the movement of the kick you still bring with the knee. Yeah? First, yeah? Here's the opening. 1. Now, first, here. Second step now. I show it this way. Second step. Look, first one goes compact. Second, look. Your hands go to the Lü, but your body, Yujen, your Shanjing Xue and Shen Dao move away from your hands to the dragon. Don't fall. You come, you sink. Look. Now here, look. The dragon comes out at that moment and then you go here. Sink up. Yeah? So the first Lü, forward Lü, is compact. The second, look. And then you go. Think like a feel like a dragon, yeah? After this, it's like something comes out that moment, and then you go forward, yeah? Yun Juan Taiji. 1, 2. Left hand, back of the Laogung is on the Minmen. The right hand below the Chi Hai. Then you lift the Hu Yin also here when you breathe in, and then release the Hu Yin. Here you release completely. And then you bring it back. At the end, you can bring the stance a little smaller and stand.